Humanity keeps searching the stars for signs of alien life, but we have left signs of our own existence in space, hoping some other life out there will find it. These are the 5 weirdest clues of our existence left in space, floating forever. The Golden Record. Humanity's message in a bottle. Back in 1977, NASA launched the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft on missions to explore the outer planets. But tucked away on board each of them was something extraordinary. That was the Golden Record. This wasn't just a decoration, it was a carefully created time capsule, a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc designed to carry the story of Earth into the stars. On it, scientists included greetings in 55 languages, sounds of nature like birds singing and waves crashing, and even music ranging from Beethoven to Chuck Berry. NASA explained it as a message to any possible civilization that might encounter the spacecraft millions of years in the future. And here's the mind-blowing part. Voyager 1 is now the most distant human-made object from Earth, more than 15 billion miles away, carrying that record. According to NASA, these spacecraft could be drifting long after our own planet changes beyond recognition. So if anything represents humanity's cosmic postcard, it is this record, floating quietly through interstellar space. The floating car, Tesla in the solar system. In 2018, SpaceX launched its Falcon Heavy rocket for the very first time, and instead of carrying a typical satellite, Elon Musk decided to make a statement. Sitting on top of the rocket was a cherry red Tesla Roadster with a mannequin named Starman in the driver's seat. It wasn't just for show. SpaceX needed a test payload, but instead of a block of metal, they sent a car, turning the launch into one of the most iconic moments in modern space history. According to NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, the Roadster is still orbiting the Sun today, following a path that takes it near Mars and even Earth's orbit at times. And it's going to be out there for millions of years unless it eventually collides with something. Right now, somewhere in the vastness of space, there's literally a car cruising around the Sun. If aliens ever came across it, they might wonder what kind of civilization leaves behind a sports car in space. Lego minifigures orbiting Jupiter. Yes, you heard that right. Real Lego figures are orbiting Jupiter right now. In 2011, NASA's Juno spacecraft launched with 3 specially made aluminium Lego minifigures representing Jupiter, Juno, and Galileo, the astronomer who first studied Jupiter's moon through a telescope. This wasn't a random choice. It was a collaboration between NASA and LEGO to inspire young people around the world to get excited about science and space exploration. And unlike plastic toys, these LEGO figures were specially crafted to withstand the extreme conditions of space. Today, Juno continues to orbit Jupiter, sending back stunning data and images, and those little Legos are still right there with it, tiny symbols of human creativity circling the largest planet in our solar system. The fallen astronaut on the moon. Back in 1971, during the Apollo 15 mission, astronauts placed a small 3.5-inch aluminum figure on the lunar surface. This sculpture, known as the Fallen Astronaut, was created by Belgian artist Paul van Hooijdonk. It was left on the moon as a memorial to space explorers who dedicate their lives to push the boundaries of human knowledge. Even today, it remains there, untouched along with the footprints and equipment that astronauts left behind. Think about that for a second. While Earth changes every day, the moon has no wind or rain. That means the tiny figure will stay on the surface for millions of years, a silent reminder of humanity's journey to space. Human ashes. Space has always inspired people to look beyond the world, and for some, that journey has continued even after life on Earth. Several memorial flights have carried small portions of human ashes into orbit, or even into deeper space. One of the most famous examples is Gene Roddenberry, the creator of Star Trek, whose ashes were launched aboard a NASA's mission in 1990s. Another is Clyde Tombaugh, the astronomer who discovered Pluto. His ashes are currently traveling aboard NASA's New Horizons spacecraft, which passed Pluto in 2015 and is now venturing into the Kuiper Belt. These journeys aren't just symbolic, they represent humanity's desire to be part of the cosmos. As NASA highlighted when discussing New Horizons, the spacecraft itself is carrying human stories alongside scientific instruments. In a way, these memorials are just reminders that space isn't just about technology, it's about people. So, there you have it. 5 of the strangest and most fascinating objects humans have left in space forever. Now let me ask you this. If you had a chance to send one item into space that would last forever, what would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.